If you test this akara, I bet you will want me to be making akara for you every day. Come with me, bestie. Let me show you how I made this mouth watery akara. Now I made this akara in two ways. You can see I deep fried one, and I also use this pan to make this. So I'll be showing you the both of them, whichever one you want. I'm the kind of person that do have heartburn when I eat a deep fried akara, so this other option is for people like me. Now akara is one of the easiest food to make. When I mean easiest and simplest, you just need only three ingredients, only three, and that is your onions, your pepper, and your salt. If you don't like a spicy food, then you can omit pepper. That means it's going to be only onions and salt. But you see my house, we love spicy food. When I tell you we love spicy food, I'm not exaggerating. No, I am not. Like, enough pepper. And I don't know what is wrong with peppers of these days, because they are not hot. When they say hot pepper, they are not hot anymore. Hey, they are not though. This pepper is not hot. We had to add more grounded pepper. Now let's make this akara. This is what we need. Grind your beans to be very thick. Let the paste be very smooth. Yes, so you get a blender that can grind it to smooth. If you can't, if you're in Africa, you can go to all those local grinders to grind it, because that's what some people do. Just go to them, they'll grind it till it's in a paste form, thick paste form. It shouldn't be watery. Okay, the water I added while grinding it, you'll be wondering why is it that color. Now after grinding my pepper and my onions, I had to put water to rinse the blender, and that was the water in that bowl that I added to my beans. You can see the consistency, abi. You can see how it is. It's not too thick, but it's not watery. So that paste will be in this form that you're seeing it, and you just know that you're good to go. Okay, I'm making this much because I have a large family, and we're also having visitors that want to come and taste this delicious akara. Okay, so all you need, if you're just serving yourself, you just need a little quantity and you're good to go. Okay, do make sure that your beans paste is very smooth. So I am done grinding all the akara, and you can see the paste is very smooth. The next thing I'll be doing is to mix in my ingredient. I'll be mixing in my onions. My onions are going to be having this rough texture. I did not grind it to smooth, as I explained before. I'll put in my pepper. So if you don't like spicy food, just put in the little that you want, but we love spicy food, so I added both fresh pepper and dry pepper. I still added more. Then the next thing is my salt. Aside your salt to taste, do not add any other thing. It's not even necessary, or else you just want to do other paparazzis, maybe adding your fish or anything. But the normal native akara comes just like that. Now if you want to do this in a native way, you should get your mortar and pestle. You see this section, you pour the akara inside your mortar and pestle, and you keep turning it, stir it. Now the more you stir it, when you fry your akara, the more fluffy it becomes. That's why I was using a pestle. I had to keep my spoon and use that pestle and turn very well, so you can at least give it this little fluffy texture. When that is ready, you now set it aside. Put in your oil in your pot. If you want a deep fried akara, put in your oil in your pot. But if you don't want, you can get this pan. I think the name is pasta pan, I can't remember. Just google it up and get the pan. If you always have heartburn eating deep fried akara of then get this pan. It will come handy. All right, now what you need to do, if you notice at the center I did not put anything, because if I put that beans paste at the center, it will get burnt easily, because that is where the fire is. Like, is the center where it gets the fire more. So I always add water at the center while I put my paste on the other side. Okay, so these are the two ways you can fry akara. You can either do this one, or you deep fry your akara. But I bet you if you try this, you would love it. It has less oil and is highly healthy. Okay, for other family members that don't like the other one, I deep fry it for them, and it came out crispy and yummy. Bestie, up till now, if you have not liked this video, kindly like and also share it. Do not forget to comment at the end of the video. I'll be very happy. If it's your first time coming across my video, kindly give me a follow. Now tell me, which of this method do you like? Do you like the deep fried one, or you like the one I used on the pasta pan. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Because if you try this akara, hey, if you try this akara is so yummy. Now, if you have high cholesterol and doctor has told you to reduce your oil intake, this is another option. In case if you're an akara lover, this is another beautiful option for you. Beautiful alternative. Instead of deep frying the akara, use your pasta pan and make amazing akara for yourself. Best, I hope this video was helpful. So if you've been watching till this very moment, make sure you've liked the video, make sure you've commented, and make sure you've shared it. If you're a newbie, make sure you're following this page. Okay, now tell me, which one do you prefer, the deep fried one or the one with pasta fan? Just look at, hey, this is everything you want to eat today. This one. Now look at the deep fried one. Look at it, very crispy, soft, yummy. Come and join me, bestie. You know there is love in sharing. Come and join. Look at how hot this akara is. Hey, you see, the taste, it is out of this world. Thank you for watching my video.